Day 10, lifting depression. So get yourself into a nice, comfortable position. And in today's hypnosis, I want you to look up like you're staring at your eyebrow. You'll begin to feel the flicker in your eyes. Your eyes may lose focus, keeping your head straight, but really feeling your eyes become heavier and heavier as you continue to try to stare at your eyebrow. And the more you stare, you may begin to feel your eyelids becoming so heavy that they just blink and blink and begin to blink even more. And as they begin to blink, you can feel that hypnosis running through your body as you take a deep breath in. When you breathe out, just let your eyes close down and drift off into trance. What does it feel like going into such a relaxing state of hypnosis and relaxation? And as you drift off into hypnosis, can you find even more relaxing ways to enhance that level of trance and to drift away into hypnosis? Now, you may already be halfway into hypnosis, or you may already be there now. And all I want you to do to just deepen this trance is just start tensing up your feet, tensing up your legs, tensing up your stomach, chest, hands, arms, all the way up to the top of your head, really feeling that energy as you tense it up. Feel that pressure, tense it up, feel that pressure, tense it up, feel that pressure, and let it all go now and just relax. Because as you relax, you just drift into such a deep hypnotic trance. And as you go deeper into hypnosis, you'll find it much easier, more vivid to create your future self. And as you're creating your future self, I want you to notice all the minute details. What you can see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. But before we go there, all I want you to do is just imagine a 10-step hypnotic staircase in front of you. Every number, I count down from 10, you will drift even deeper into hypnosis, starting with 10. As you relax, your mind and body just lets go as you feel the stairs beneath your feet drifting deeper, down to 9 and 8. As you relax, you let go. As you let go, that's right, you relax, down to 7 and 6. Can you feel yourself drifting even deeper, feeling more relaxed? Down to 5 and 4 and 3. Feel that hypnosis slowing everything down to 2. And when you reach the bottom step, feel that shift as you hit that wave of hypnosis down to 1 now, completely relaxed, completely relaxed. And now that you are so completely and fully relaxed, deep in hypnosis, Throughout this process, can you begin to enhance that level of trance and allow your mind to just let go of what doesn't serve? Because when you begin to let go of depression, you can release those unwanted, intrusive thoughts, feelings, and emotions. How would it feel? How would it feel if you could completely release all unwanted, negative emotions? What would your life be like if those negative thoughts, feelings, and emotions were gone now? Because as you begin to let them go, that powerful, positive energy will begin to flow. And within your mind, you will allow yourself to grow. Happy, positive, and powerful. I'm not here to tell you that nothing will go wrong in life. I'm here to tell you that you now have that choice to release any negative, unwanted thoughts, feelings, and emotions. And as I stay silent for a moment, take a deep breath in, hold that breath, and when you feel ready to let go and release any depression from your body, from your mind, I want you to breathe out and just imagine a gush of energy releasing that depression, lifting that depression, removing it all now. It may be like that tap that just empties the pressure of depression from your body. Knowing that you used to have that pressure of depression, how do you now feel since it's all been lifted? What do you feel now it's been lifted? Where do you feel it? Just locate in your body any last bits of pressure, of tension, of strain. And I want you to flood those areas of your body with love, with warmth, with gratitude. Because now that you allow yourself to do this, you can take on the world. Now that you've released all of that depression, you can feel your ascension growing stronger as you are more powerful, as you are more grateful, more loving, more kind, especially to yourself. And as you allow yourself to be the best version of yourself, just imagine standing in front of the mirror, staring yourself in the eyes, repeating the mantra, I love myself, I love myself, I love myself, I love myself. Because all depression really is a time when we need a deep rest. And in the beginning of this tape, you had such a deep rest that it is now time to leave an impression of self-love. Because the only reason people get depressed is when they're sick and tired of the character they've been playing. So I now invite you to create a new character. A character of self-love, a character of gratitude, a character of complete and utter power, self-control. What is your life now like, now that you have taken control? And as we bring today's hypnosis and meditation to a close, how will you go about the rest of your day now that that past self has been lifted and you are powerful? Just listening to the music, taking as long as you need. And when you open your eyes, you will feel incredible. You will feel the best you've ever felt. I'll see you tomorrow.